Hello once again. The idea of freedom and total liberation had pushed the men and women of the colonized States of America to stand for their independence. Let us spread out this philosophy so that the entire world will sing a song of liberty and live in the free world. Please push it.
America was founded on an idea of freedom. America's always stepped forward in time of need throughout our short but powerful history.
Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
Tear down this wall.
We've been there for all of it.
150.
A second plane hit the tower.
Our heroes are humble. They have an inner pride to keep this idea alive. Protectors are born, they're not made. Secret Service protecting this Super Bowl is asking a few more to step forward.